challenges in the construction industry is that the workers are doing really much of repetitive work within the workdays, which leads to fatigue and occupational injuries in the long term. And the product that they're building, it's affected negatively by the fatigue, which causes defects in the end product quality. The traditional construction projects do not have transparent and real-time progress monitoring in the field, which leads to significant delays and defects on the site. If the workers and the managers do not react to the defects right away, there can be significant cost and timetable effects in long term. Drones will be gathering the construction progress data every day from the field, so that the managers will have the real-time information how the site is going, how all the tasks are they in schedule, and if they're finished in time. So the drones will provide a transparent construction progress view to the site managers that can be used to optimize material flow and reroute machinery routes, which will lead to faster project throughput times in the long term. The Smart Suit is an important tool for the site managers to see and monitor the workers if they're getting fatigued during the work days, and if they detect any fatigue on the workers, they can redirect the workers to a different task to prevent work-related injuries.
Exoskeleton helps with working more safely and not feeling so much pressure on my lower back or upper back. So I think it helps on construction site where there's a lot of damage on your lower and upper back and legs. So I think it helps people to work more safely. It can help lift things that are heavier, that everybody else can do the same jobs. It doesn't matter if it's young, old, women, men.
I believe that the technology that BEEYONDERS project is developing will help to significantly lower the safety issues related to the industry. And after seeing the technology in use, tested in the real environment, I'm pretty sure that within the 5 or 10 years, that's going to be a norm in the industry.